As a family of 6, I'll be showing you all the food ingredients I brought from Nigeria to Ireland. So here are my crayfish. You can see this is crayfish, melon seed, egusi seed. You see my dried fish. Lot of dry fish. This is dry fish. This is dry fish. This is dry fish. This is dry fish. Dry fish. 2 cartons of asa dry fish. And zobo leaf snacks. Dried breadfruit. This is breadfruit, pepper, scotch bonnet, cocoyam powder, my ogiri, okra, granules, my spices, ungo. What's the name in English? I can't remember now. My spices. I so much like this spice. Curry, thyme, my original honey. Then my favorite fruits of the year, udara. I so much love udara that I have to carry 2 cartons of udara. This is the remaining one. I'm doing this video 3 days after I came back. So I've already consumed a lot and gave out some udara. Then this juice for my kids and which I'm leaving out to ferment before I put it in the freezer. And what again? Some of my vegetables are in the freezer. Here I have my bitter leaves, a lot of bitter leaves, scent leaf, bitter leaf. Suya spices. That's my suya spices. Let's test one of my udara. So these are all the foodstuff I was able to bring from Nigeria to Ireland. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you all for watching.